Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you friends? And today topic we will discuss how we can steal any Facebook account password and username by using beef. So first of all, I want to explain you what is beef. Then we will perform practical. What is beef? Beef is short for the browser exploitation framework. It is a penetration testing tool that focuses on the web browser. Amid growing concern about bone attack against client, including mobile client, beef allow the professional penetration tester to assess the actual security posture of a target environment by using client-side attack vector. Unlike other security framework, beef look past hardened network perimeter and client system and examine exploitability within the constraint of the one open door. The web browser beef will hook one or more web browser and use them as beachheads for launching directed command module and further attack against the system from within the browser context. So now we will start our practical topic. I will perform here LAN attack means those device which is connected with our network. How we will use one attack I will tell you. So first of all, you will need to Kali Linux. Okay, enter, open new terminal and type here cd/usr/share/beef-xss, then enter, then type here ./beef, then enter. Okay, now we will change the password of beef. Type here leafpad etc/beef-xss/config.yaml, then enter. Okay, scroll down. This is the username, this is the password. Now I will change the password. Suppose I want Zong password, then save by pressing Ctrl S. Now after that, again type here ./beef, then enter. Okay, this is our panel URL. Right click on this and click on open. Now type here beef and the username and password. Okay, password is our Zong, then enter. Now this is our beef control panel. Now open new terminal and type here ifconfig, then enter. This is your IP address. Now copy now copy your IP address and paste here your IP address. Okay, where is my IP address? Okay, 192.168.43.110. okay, this is your IP address, and put here double comma, double stop, and type here the port is 300 slash, and type here demos slash butcher slash index.html and copy all these commands, okay, and paste to your victim which you want to hack. Now I will perform on this PC. This is my victim, okay, this is my original PC and this is my victim PC. Now suppose I want to try on my victim PC, okay, this is the URL and type here enter. Okay, this website will be open. Now is your victim will click on URL, you can see here this is your IP address. When you will get your victim IP address, you can see here all the detail. Then direct click on the IP address and click on command and click on social engineering, scroll down, yes, and click on pretty thief, then direct click on execute. Do this step within 5 seconds, okay. Now you can see here in the victim PC, Facebook session timeout, your session has timeout due to inactivity, please re-enter username login. Now suppose this is my victim. Now he entered the password and username. Now he will click on login, okay. After that your work is done, then click on this, you can see here module result history, then double click on this, okay. Now you can see here this is the result, this is the password, this is the username, you can see here the time, answer, this is the username, the first one username, and after the double comma you can see here DASFGASF, this is the password, okay. I hope you will understand how you can hack any Facebook account password and username by using Beef, okay. Now if you want to change the website, you can see this is the website. If you want to change this website, then right click on this and type here cd usr share / beef -xss, then enter, then type here ls and type here cd extension ls cd demos ls cd html ls cd butcher ls, then type here leaf page index.html, then enter. Now you can see here and double and select all these code and press delete button. Suppose I want to type my own code. I will use here h1 tag, h1 you have been hacked, h1 and body. Now we will close this tag html. If you want to show on the victim computer your own website or your own HTML file, then cut your file and go to this folder usr share beef.xss extension html butcher and delete this one and paste your own code file, okay. Now I will display this, refresh, you can see here you have been hacked. So I hope you will understand. If you have any problem or question, then you can ask every time. Or this is the topic which I want to tell you. So if you have any problem or question, then you can ask every time. If you want to buy our course, then you can buy from us. Simply contact with us. So now the question is arise, how we will use this in out of network. I have no router, I use mobile data, so don't worry about it. If you have router, I will give you the router matter and a text file. Okay, you can learn from the text. If you have still any problem or question, then discuss with us. We will solve all of your question. So meet we will soon in another topic. Allah Hafiz.